How you doing, bro? My name is SAYLESSTRENT, if you don't know me already. Founder of Say Less Lifestyle LLC. Founded my clothing brand with my cousin slash business partner, Say Less Ed, back in 2020. You know, took that word say less that people use on a day-to-day basis and gave it a different meaning to just inspire our generation to do more and say less. Without talking about it, but being about it and achieving your goals, do more, say less. So it started off as a motivational lifestyle brand, you know, not even with the clothing brand. We eventually got into the clothing brand, scaled on content-wise for the next 2 years. And in February of 2022, 6 months after I dropped out of college, I was able to, you know, make over $300,000 that year and $15K that month in February of 2022. And I have not looked back since. And, you know, the brand in the last year and a half has not been selling clothes. We took a step back to grow other business ventures and, you know, things of that sort, and multiple sources of income. Stocks, my consulting agency, which is a six-figure business where I work with clients like you or clients and entrepreneurs that need help one-on-one, in-depth, 2 to 3 phone calls per week, you know, in-depth help. So that way it's a business partnership and I have a one-on-one business relationship with you so we can get you the best results possible. This is not a course, not a community. You know, I do have a free ebook. If you want that free ebook, just direct message me on Instagram at SAYLESSTRENT. And if always you need one-on-one business partnership slash mentorship coaching, you can just direct message me at SAYLESSTRENT on Instagram. Trenton Scott LLC at gmail.com. It's in the description. Reach out to me, man. I can definitely help you. But like I was saying, so back on the brand, with my brand Say Less Lifestyle and how I've accumulated that $300,000 in a year, you know, most I've made in a month with the brand is $56,000 in 30 days, and I'll display that right here. But from 2022 to 2023, we made over $300,000 in a year. From 2023 to 2024, we made over $100,000. And the only reason we slowed down is because Shopify did put our money on hold. And for a variety of reasons, but I take accountability as an entrepreneur, teaching you from my successes and failures that you have to fulfill orders on time, and that's how you keep customers. We were taking anywhere from 3 to 5 weeks to fulfill people's products, right? And you know, there's, you know, bad reviews on Google for Say Less Lifestyle. Our rating is about a 3, but the customer service needed to improve to get people their product and communicate with them. If people are waiting more than 14 business days, and on top of you not communicating, they're gonna get worried about where their order is. So with us making 1,000 orders per month, we got behind, got unorganized, and you know, we chose to take a step back after about 2 years of running up over $400,000 with the brand Say Less Lifestyle. Scaled over 500K on TikTok, 70K on Instagram. I've used all that knowledge from the past 4 or 5 years, and I've wanted to help other clothing brand owners. So I did start my consulting agency, which is a 6-figure business. We also talk about stocks in some of my top 10 stocks in my portfolio, so that we can also allow you to have multiple sources of income, so you can actually live off of entrepreneurship. Because a lot of people don't talk about it, but the clothing brand game and the restaurant businesses are one of the worst businesses to get into regarding profit. If you're looking for profit, those 2 businesses are not the business to get into. But yeah, as far as that goes though, I've worked with over 400 clients in the past 2 years. I'll display some of their testimonials right here so you can go ahead and see them, and you know, after that we'll regroup. Let's go.
What's good, y'all? It's Damo. I run the brand Hidden Truth. I've been with Trent's mentorship since the beginning of this year, and in our first month we did 5K in sales. Last year alone, my brand only did around $1,000 in sales. You can see that we tripled my sales in only a month. Being in this mentorship, I've learned how to run ads, market my brand, and invest. Since working with Trent, I can definitely see the progress that my brand has made. If you're a smaller brand or even a bigger brand that just needs a little bit more guidance, I definitely suggest working with Trent. He knows what he's doing, he's very hands-on, and he wants to see you win.
That is definitely beneficial. Trent, he is definitely there, hands-on individual. So even though it's 7 days throughout the week, I guarantee you he'll be sending you content, resource ideas, whether it's through Instagram, private message, whatever the case may be. He'll be reaching out to you at least 4 or 5 days throughout the week, making sure you're on your game. But at the end of the day, your success from his ways and his strategy, his resources, depending upon how you implement those strategies and resources. So you can't blame him if you don't get the results that you want or that you desire, and you just gotta look yourself in the mirror and blame the person that you see, because he's gonna show you the way, but it's on you to put those stones in place and build that house. So that's all I got to say. Thank you, Say Less Lifestyle, and I'm gone.
Yo, so those were some of my clients that I've worked with, helped them scale to over $10,000 a month in revenue or even more. My best client has generated over $40,000 in a month, gotten them approved for business funding, over $10,000 in business funding. If y'all want a video regarding the business funding and business credit, like I said, leave a subscription down below. I'll get on that video. My next video will be about the business funding and business credit, because I notice a lot of brands, they have a lot of good brands, but the marketing is not there. You know, the money behind the brand is not there. So, you know, pretty much you can have the best brand in the world, best product in the world. If you're not getting any eyes on your business, it's literally irrelevant. It's useless. You're not going to get any sales, right? And it's not useless. You know, you're doing it, you know, are you doing it for fun? Are you doing a donation, non-profit, or are you trying to make profit? Simple as that gets. If you're looking to make a return on your investment, make more money, save more money, and use other people's money, business credit, better your personal credit. I'm not a financial advisor, but I do give in-depth help on growing your personal credit, tips that I've maintained and helped me grow my personal credit and other clients. Also with the business funding and business credit, I did get over $100,000 in business funding without using my personal credit. So I teach you how to exactly do that, one-on-one guidance, 24-hour access to my personal phone number. Everything is in depth. I'm here to not take from you, but to simply help from you. Yes, there's a fee with what I charge, and I hate that question. Everybody asks me, is there a fee? Yo, bro, I gotta pay. If you pay attention, right? If you sacrifice that hard-earned money, I'm going to sacrifice my time and energy into helping you grow your business. So nobody's going to work for free up front of my status, using my successes and failures, from making over $300,000 in a year with my brand and growing like I have on social media. I was talking to my millionaire associate friend. He's a restaurant business owner, and he was telling me, you know, his business brought in about 1.2, 1.3 million in that year, and he only brought home about $150,000 to $250,000. That's still a lot of money, right? But out of the money he made, he only got to take about 10 to 15, maybe 20% of that, right? There's a lot of business expenses, you know, cost of goods, labor, things of that sort that has to be paid, especially when you're doing in-person locations. Now, the top 3 ways to literally live off your brand as soon as possible is, number 1, I love it. My number 1 is in-person location. Why do I say that? Yes, online is 10 times better. Yes, online conversion rate is not better, because, you know, if you get 200 people to come inside your store location, you're going to get about 100, 150, 200 to buy. But online, if you get 200 people, you're only going to get about 2 orders if you're the average successful clothing brand owner. So totally, pretty much what I'm saying is, in-person location balances out the days where you're not making money with ads, the days where you need extra profit, whatever the situation may be. Whether that be a kiosk in a local mall area or a store in a mall. That's what you need to do. And then the second one is running ads, and the third one is running a strong and building up a strong SMS list with customers that know about your business and things of that sort. If you guys want me to make a video for all 3 of those, and how you are able to run the ads, how you are able to build up the SMS list, and how you are able to get a store in a mall or a kiosk in a mall, those 3 things I've done myself. Ran up over $250,000 on online sales through Facebook ads and organic marketing. You know, so subscribe down below. I'll definitely give you that game for sure. Definitely direct message me on Instagram at SAYLESSLifestyle, and we'll go more in depth. If you guys want a part 2 or more in-depth video, direct message me below. But the top 3 ways to live off your brand as soon as possible is either an in-person location. People have their pros and cons regarding that, but I am a big believer in, if you have multiple in-person locations, yes, you have to have the team behind you, things of that sort. But all the brand owners relate when it comes to that. If you have at least 1, 2, 3 in-store locations, you can always balance that out. Even if it breaks even if you make a little bit of profit, it still helps you, you know, increase that total revenue, get approved for business funding, cash flow based business funding, and a variety of other things. Second way is obviously ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, things of that sort, and testing them out slowly. If y'all want an ad video, let me know. Subscribe down below. I got y'all. The third way is a SMS list, and I'll give y'all organic marketing strategies, one of these videos on the SMS list. Direct message me at SAYLESSTRENT. Links in the description. Y'all go tap in. Appreciate y'all, man. Let's go. We out. Let's go.